Public service announcement from the management of Anne with an awkward emoji beside my name. Forgive yourself. Breathe. Whatever shit happened this week, it happened for a reason. And know that you are enough. You are valid. Cry if you have to. Be angry if you want to. But don't stay in that melancholy. You've spent all your life building yourself back up again. And I just wanted to remind you that. Virtual hugs, beautiful people. Ciao.